Hello sa nandito. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you so much sa thumbs up. Thumbs up. The water is coming back now. Ang bubahang doon na, uy.
Baktas ko.
Back na daw.
Ayun kaya ko baktas.
Isama.
Ito to.
Eh, baba.
Baktas.
Sige.
Corn burp.
Corn beef?
Corn burp.
Who is watching me? Thank you so much for watching. Later, I will show you the rooms and the place here. So we are having a 2-day stay here. 2-day stay here with Chris. Chris. Hello, Evelyn Baker. Thank you so much. Hello, watching from Indiana, USA. Yeah, thank you so much and welcome to Bohol, Philippines. This is Steffies place. This is Steffies place there. It is if you wanna come to the Philippines, then you might choose Steffies place. I will show you the rooms. This is the dining area. This is the free coffee. You can tagabakong ko ganda. Guapa. Hello, thank you so much. Tagabakong ko ganda. Thank you so much for dropping by. So this is the rooms. It's bungalow style. This is our room. That's it. And it is not expensive at all. Salamat, Ati, sa pag-subscribe sa akong channel. Asa kadapit sa bakong? Kisay mong kaila sa bakong. Kaila ka lang Junel si Mangka. Tagabak. Maraming salamat. Take picture? Indiana, USA. Namin nyo kag foreigner diha, madam? Or nag-work ka. Puta sa ni oy kay bugata ang tripod. 2 kilo madam. Bike sa tabi. Kay nag-coffee pa ko. Enjoy the place. Dili loading. Dili loading madam. Okay ra ang reception sa video. Lami jud ikaligo diha oy. Correct. Nindot jud. Dili loading ang video. Is it okay? Evelyn Baker. Hala, Evelyn Baker, murag kaila ko nimo Evelyn Baker. Murag na kaila ko nimo da. Clear. Wow, thank you so much. Nice to meet you, Evelyn Baker. Okay na okay, Jude. Thank you so much sa pag-subscribe. Vlogger na lang taan ni. May makadiha ka na makas USA. Kalinga jud imo mga video. Salamat Evelyn Baker, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you and thank you and thank you ng marami po. Unsay oras diha? Murag alas 12 sa gabi tingali no, alas 11 sa USA. Reconnecting is 10:20 PM. Okay. Mag-CR sa ko, madam, ha. I-turn off sa nila ako kay mag-CR sa ako. Kay kalibangon na gajud ang pamilat. Ang pamilat ba mura na gajud lugwa ag tubol. Thank you so much. Mubalik ra ko. Bye-bye, Madam Madam Evelyn Baker.